Hey guys, in this video I'll be doing 10 color neutral 3x3 example solves. So in this scramble, the yellow side looks the best. So I have the cross pieces here, here, here and here. So what I'll do here is I'm gonna put this one here. So these two are opposite now. Then I'll put this red and yellow here, D prime, this. Then I'll do another D prime and just put this orange one here, like that. First pair in the back, then these two, then I'm gonna solve this and this like this, insert, and then finally these two. Now I'll do COLL like that, then UCON. So here's the second scramble, and green cross is just solvable in 2 moves. And also see the first 2 pairs. So my first pair is going to be this piece and this one, and the cross is just R prime and F. So first pair these two like that, and these two in the back as my second pair. Then this pair, these two like that, and then finally this one, OLL, PLL, A-perm. So here's the third scramble. In this I'll be doing the orange cross. So the cross pieces are here, here, here and here. So first I'll put this, I'm gonna do a U to bring this piece over this one. Then I'll insert this orange and yellow piece. Then a D, F and R. So that solves the cross. So first pair is right here. Second pair is this one and this one. I'm going to do it like this. Then the next pair is in the back, so I'll just break that up and insert. And then finally I have this and this. OLL, PLL. So in the next scramble, the cross pieces are here, here, here and here. So first thing I'll be doing is I'll put this piece here like that. Then I'll bring this over, insert this, and then finally we have this. Now I'll insert this piece here since this corner is solved like that. Then these two, then these two, then this one and this one like that. And then we have I can orient the edge corners in this case by doing this. I can permute the corners in this case like this. So we have the corners solved, and then we are just left with the U-perm. So here's the fifth scramble, and in this I'll be doing red cross again. So we have the pieces here, here, here and here. So I'll be making X cross here. So the way I'm gonna go about that is I'm gonna put this one here and insert this red and white. Then this one will go here like this, and then finally this one will just go like that. So first pair, I'm gonna insert this in the back like that, and then we have this done. Now next pair I'm gonna solve is these two in the back like that, then these two, and then finally this, which is already paired up, COLL, then Z-perm. So in the next scramble I'll be doing the yellow cross. The cross pieces are here, here, here and here, and I'll be making another X cross in this one. So the way I'm going to go about this is like this. So I'll just put this piece here, then I'm going to insert this one first like that, then I'll rotate, then I'll put this one in, and then this one, then I'll insert this piece in the back like that. So that solves the X cross. Now these two in the back like that, and these two, then I'm going to rotate and I'll solve these two like this, like that, then OLL GPOM. Here's the next scramble. In this one I'll be solving the yellow cross again, so I can make another X cross here. So this is a very easy scramble. So I'm gonna do an F2 like this, then do a D, then F2 R prime, and then I'll insert this edge in the back like this, and then D2. So that solves the X cross. First pair is gonna be this and this, like that. Then I'm gonna solve these two, and then these two. OLL PLL. I'll be doing orange cross in this scramble. So the cross pieces are here, here, here and here. So first thing I'll do is do a D prime, then insert this edge here like that. Then I'm going to insert this piece, and to set up my first pair I'm going to do a U2, and then I'll finally insert this piece like this. So first pair in the back like that, second pair these two, third pair this and this, and then finally our last pair, then OLL, and then APOM. So in the next scramble I'll be doing the green cross. So I have the cross pieces here, here, here and here. So I'm going to insert this one first, then do a D, and then insert this. Then I'll solve this pair first, like so, in the back. Then I'll move to this last cross piece like this. So my second pair would be this and this, so I'll insert it like this. Then second pair this and this, and then finally this one in the back. OLL, and then F1. In this scramble I'll be doing the blue cross. So the cross pieces are here, here, here and then here. So first I'll put this one in, then put this in, so these two are solved. Then I'll insert this edge in the back, and then D prime, R prime, and then like that. So first pair these two, like that. Second pair this and this. The next pair would be this and this. Then OLL, PLL.